This fall, I'm teaching thermodynamics in person. There will be me and 13 students. We'll all be in a room together for Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes. The room normally holds 30. This year with social distancing, it holds 18. And so with 13 of us in there, it will be plenty of space for everybody. We might have to do the lab a little bit differently. We'll probably alternate times. Students will come every other week, or we'll have half the group come at 1 p.m. and half the group come at 3 p.m. because this class has some sort of more advanced lab equipment that we use. And so rather than have all those students try to use that equipment at one time, I'm gonna have to split them up. But otherwise, aside from the masks, it'll be a pretty normal semester. In terms of thinking about what things might be like in a COVID semester for an in-person class, if we unfortunately have to go back to any sort of remote learning, what that would look like. So I think the plan would be to record my lectures in advance, have students watch those, and then get together for discussion sessions when we would otherwise have our normal class time. So I'll sort of flip the classroom in the case of going online. As for the labs, I think what we'll probably do is more focus on the actual data analysis part than the hands-on technique part. This particular set of labs is not heavy on technique. It's more about analysis and theory, and we can still do most of that online. And I suspect that for the lab portion of the class, we'd meet together as a class at the regular lab time and do some sort of synchronous learning that way. Faculty like to teach, and we like to see the students and interact with them as much as possible, and I'm really thankful that I'm going to get that opportunity. Remember, we all have to do our part to contain the spread. Wear your mask.